Hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for Mark in Texas. Okay, Mark, so we're gonna do a quick look right now about your throttle body here. Now, this is the throttle body from E420, and this is a non-ASR unit. It's a rare piece, so you know we don't see many of these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to. Oh yeah, another point here is, this is an updated unit. It was produced in 2001. Micro switch works, so that's a good news. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the issue, see what I see. Now first thing is, I'm connecting this unit. I have it connected actually to my proven working module that I use for my bench tests here. This is TLR. This is from a 202 chassis, but it does not change the equation because it's just we're just doing the tests here. We're not you know, using this in the vehicle. Put this away a little bit. Okay, so I just want to show you. As you can see, the wires, they connected via the adapter, because originally I made this bench test unit for 6 cylinders. Most of them in non-ASR versions came in 6-cylinder vehicles. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, I have my power switch for my bench test modules, so we're gonna put the power on and see what's going on. And there is absolutely nothing from the unit. There's nothing happening from throttle. So there's nothing happening. I'm doing the switch. Now next thing is, I'm going to show you one of your control modules, and it's going to do exactly the same thing. I know my module works because this is, you know, this is what I do on my bench. I mean, that's a working piece. Well, to confirm, I'm just going to plug it in. This is for V12, so this is the secondary V12. As you can see, less pins are inserted there. This is the primary one. This is the one we need. I have a power switch over here, and we hear the click from the module, and you see I'm activating my low contact point. Oh, I gotta get the door. Okay, just had that delivery come in. Let's continue our recording. So same situation happens here with your control module, my control module, your control module. So clearly we have an issue inside the throttle body, and let me try to show you the issue. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to check resistance on the coil, because it feels like the coil is not energizing. And to do such a thing, I always do my videos on the fly like this, but I need to get this plug to stay somehow, somewhere against something. Okay, so let me just try to do, because I kind of need both hands for this, but alright, that should do. And I also need to show you the resistance. So 12 and 13, these are the plugs that you check your resistance with. So we have 12 and 13 right here, and that's supposed to give you about 4 to 5 ohms. And when you just try to, because I'm doing it with left hand on top of this, so let me show you that. I'm just gonna, okay, let me just grab this real quick with my other hand. Okay, so here we have both pins inserted, and then we have 0 resistance, so it's open circuit. Coil is dead. Just to show you, you see it's on. Okay, so this is the issue. We have the problem with the coil. This is a very difficult one to repair, but because it's rare and it's an updated unit, it will be worth doing. Unfortunately, you don't see many of these units out there available, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fix the coil. It will require grinding, welding, polishing, cutting, what have you, a lot of things to get that coil out, plus lining up the throttle plate extremely well, so that is, because it's spring loaded, so if you're gonna cut the pieces inside, then it's gonna lose its positioning, then you're gonna have issues with idle. So this was very finicky job, but it is what it is. So I just wanted to show you what I see here, so you know where I am. Once I get the coil going, get the coil replaced, then obviously I can test both of your TLLR units. But as we can see, my unit does not energize it, your unit does not energize it, and the coil is open circuit, so we clearly have an issue inside the throttle body here. Okay, so I'm gonna get to it later. I have quite some work to do, but I'll definitely fix it, and I'll make you another video of a bench test when unit is energized. Okay, so this is all for me. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.